In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to Schwab. If you're new to Charles Schwab or just want the simplest path to fund your brokerage account, I'll walk you through the two easiest methods. First, the recommended everyday option using a standard ACH transfer. Then, a faster alternative using a wire transfer if you need funds credited as soon as possible. I'll explain where to click, what to select, and a few tips to help you avoid delays. Let's start with the easiest method, an ACH transfer. This is free and the most common choice for most people. Begin by logging into your Schwab account. From your dashboard, navigate to Move Money. In that section, choose Transfers and Payments. Next, open the External Accounts area. If your bank isn't already connected, link it here. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your bank securely and make sure you select the correct checking or savings account you plan to use. Once your bank is linked, select Transfer Money. Set the direction of the transfer by choosing your bank as the source and your Schwab Brokerage account as the destination. Enter the dollar amount you want to move, review the details for accuracy, and confirm. That's it. ACH transfers typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days, and there's no fee for this method. It's reliable, cost-effective, and ideal for routine funding. Now, if timing is critical and you want funds available as soon as the same day, consider a wire transfer. Log into your Schwab account and go back to Move Money. This time, select Wire Instructions. You'll see the official Schwab bank details you need. Copy those details carefully, then go to your bank's app or website and initiate a wire. Set the recipient as Charles Schwab & Companies, Inc., and be sure to include your full name and your Schwab account number exactly as shown in the instructions. That precise information is what ensures Schwab credits the money to the correct account. Wires often arrive the same day or by the next business day at the latest. Keep in mind, banks typically charge a fee for outgoing wires, commonly around $10 to $30. To recap with the simplest answer, link your bank, go to Move Money, and complete an ACH transfer for a fast, free, and straightforward funding experience. If you need speed and don't mind a fee, use a wire with the exact instructions provided in your Schwab account.